Nobody, that one kid coughing in school. Paley, you're just in school. Then you hear that one kid going. Then the class goes completely silent. Then they go down to the nurse. I'm not even kidding. Then they come back down because they have a fever. Then, like 2 seconds later, into the math question. Does anybody know what 32 divided by 0 is? I don't know. Jordan, what's 5,000 divided by... No, what's 2 divided by 3? I don't know either. Then you hear that one kid going... Then it just gets annoying.